Hello everyone, this is Sat. Today I will show you how can you embed a chatbot on your website like this. So if I show you, here is the n8n chatbot interface on your website. And if I try to chat with this, here also another problem you will face, like it will respond some characters that is not expected here. So I will also show you how can you solve this problem. First, we have to go to the n8n workflow. So this is the simple workflow for the chatbot connected with the Pinecone database. It is retrieving the data from the vector database. So it's a simple workflow, but you can embed this chat as a customer service on your website. First of all, you need to activate the workflow. If you don't activate, it will not work. Then open this chat and you have to select the mode for embedded if you want to use it like embedded on your website like this. So embedded, and you can also apply authorization, but I will keep it none for now. And here you will find the documentation for the chat embedding. First up, okay, if I show you, I created an HTML code here. I am using Replit for running the code. And if I delete the previous one, and if I refresh, there is no chatbot here. And let's go to the documentation. Here is the code for the CDN. So we will use the CDN embedded code because I am using the HTML page. So copy this and go to the body section of your website home page. Paste it between the body and go to the n8n workflow and copy the URL and paste it the URL here. If I now refresh this, here the small chat appears, and now you will face the problem of this because it will output some extra character here. So to solve this problem, we will simply apply a set node here. I already prepared this, so let's connect it, and it will look like this. The value will be output and the name will be output, and the value will be the output of the response of the AI node. If I apply this, and now I'll try to use this. So now the problem is solved. It's output is clear now. And another one, if you want to customize this, like this header or the subheading or the initial message, you can also do that. So now I will show you how can I customize this chatbot. If you go down, and you will find the default option area. Let's copy this code and paste it right after the code here. And here you will find the webhook URL section. Just copy the chat webhook URL here. This is the webhook. Now you should customize this. Like if I change the section here, like if I change the name to start, it should also is changed. So you can actually customize all of the idea here. And if you want, you can also change the color or some other part of the chatbot using this CSS code. For that, you need to apply your custom CSS on the chatbot. So I will discuss about this on other video. So today that's all here. Thank you for watching.